Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disconnect Wi-Fi network in your Infinix phone. Guys, you want to disconnect your Wi-Fi network in your Infinix phone, so guys you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect Wi-Fi network in our Infinix phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So fam, first of all open your phone setting to disconnect your Wi-Fi network guys. Which Wi-Fi network guys you have connected guys, you want to disconnect guys, you can disconnect. So then guys we will click on guys our Wi-Fi setting. So as you can see guys, I have connected this Mukesh Wi-Fi and guys I want to disconnect. So guys tap here and as you can see here disconnect and share and forget option. So as you want to share, forget, disconnect, so I want to disconnect, so I will click on disconnect. As you can see disconnect from Mukesh. So my Wi-Fi will disconnect. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Wi-Fi. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet a nice video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.